Hey y'all, I'm Ken with Born and Bound, and today I'm going to show you all how to replace the interior sliding door handle on a Ford Transit. Our baby Nori right here is a 2015 diesel, high roof, 350 extended wheelbase. Let's go inside, let's get to work. For today's job, we're going to be using two different tools. The first one that we're going to be using mainly is going to be the T25 star head screwdriver. And for the second tool, I'm going to be using a pocket knife. However, you can use any other tool that can give you a nice wedge. Also, you're going to want to order a new interior sliding door handle from your local Ford dealer. We believe the interior latching mechanism no longer works. When our sliding door is fully extended open, there seems to be no leverage on the door handle for it to fully close. So the first step you're going to want to do is take a seat and get your knife or your wedge, and you're going to pop off these two guys right here. And you're going to want to get to these for screws, obviously. And once those two brackets are popped off, then you're going to want to take your T25 start head screwdriver, and you're going to want to take these screws out. Once those two screws are removed, then you're going to want to loosen this and remove the cover. This is the piece that is broken off the latch. And here's our new handle, and we are going to reattach the cables to this handle and then put it back on and screw everything in. So once you have the door handle completely off, you're going to want to lean this back, and you're going to notice two different cables. One to open the door and one to close it. Next, with those two cables, you're going to want to pop that off the door handle. But we don't want to lose those cables once we pop them off. Just got some Gorilla Tape, cut it in two pieces thin. Once I pop off each one, I'm just going to tape it to the door. Once both cables are off the old door handle, then that's when your new handy dandy door handle is going to come into play. Alright, so before putting this disc back in there, the easiest way, from what I found on the first one, is getting this thread of cable through here first. So once both cables are secure and fastened, then you're going to want to screw back on the panels, and you're going to have yourself a working door handle. We have the sliding door fully open. Let's see if the handle works. Thanks for watching our video today. For more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks, see you next time.